friends, it's Mindy with 4 Patriots, and just in time for St. Patrick's Day, I have an extra special message for you today. What am I talking about? It's our amazing St. Patrick's Day sweepstakes with a total prize value of over $1,547. It's your chance to give yourself and maybe even your friends and family too the gift of great health for free. All you need is a little luck of the Irish. Yes, you heard me right, laddies and lasses. Well over $1,500 in prizes here for the taking. I'm talking about a rainbow of nutrition and even a pot of gold too. Or several pots of gold, as you'll soon see. All you have to do to enter is follow the link in the description below. Look, with what we've been going through lately, it's tough to keep your energy levels up and your body strong and protected. And even tougher to wind down from all the stress once you reach the end of the day. So the folks at 4 Patriots and Patriot Health Alliance want to do all we can to thank you for your continued support and make sure you're feeling healthy and strong, energized and fit, and happier and more relaxed too. Of course, while you already know preparation is everything, you're never fully prepared unless you protect your health. Curious about what the prizes are? I bet you are. Well then, let's get to it. It all starts with something that'll have you hoisting a mug of delicious green with our most popular and ultra nutritious Patriot Power Greens. In fact, you'll be toasting your newfound energy, healthy digestion, fewer aches and pains, and more along with your entire family, because this prize pack includes not 1, but 6 free canisters of Patriot Power Greens. If you bring this home, you'll always be feeling frisky and ready to tackle the day all the way through summer. But that's just for starters, because our nutrition rainbow isn't just for the drinking of the green. You'll be able to raise a toast in ruby red too with Patriot Power Reds. And just like greens, if you're the big winner, you'll lock down 6 free canisters of Patriot Power Reds too, with special adaptogen ingredients to give you extra oomph and stamina, and the deeply colored fruits that soothe your body, tamp down inflammation, and support your heart and more. It's the perfect partner for Patriot Power Greens. Alternate, mix them together, or try one in the morning and one to power you through the afternoon. They're both delicious. Together, that's 12 free canisters. But if you recall, I promised you a pot of gold, didn't I? I sure did, and you're going to get it 6 times over. That's right, I'm also including 6 free canisters of our brand new, very popular, and oh so tasty Patriot Gold. Now, unlike greens or reds, gold is designed to be enjoyed warm like a comforting cup of tea, and once you taste it, you'll agree it's like a hug in a mug. But it's not just a guilt-free after dinner treat. Patriot Gold is packed to the brim with healing, golden goodness, including turmeric for your joints and brain, coconut milk to soothe your heart, and marigold flowers that support your eyes and to make it easier for you to get the good night's rest you deserve. This golden treat won't just fortify your body, it'll ease your tension, help you relax, and wipe away the stress of the day with every sip. All in all, you're getting 18 free canisters of our most popular nutrient formulas to protect your health for months to come. Especially this year, this is so important. One lucky winner would get all this absolutely free. Will it be you? Let's hope so, because I want you to have the strongest, healthiest, most relaxing year yet. Now, all the details about how to enter are in the description below. And there's even 3 more ways to gain bonus entries too. It's good to be good, but better to be lucky, and if you win, you'll be both. While you're down there getting the details, be sure to subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this one. What are you waiting for? Get your entries in now, and good luck!